Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney. Today I'd like to talk to you about impairment versus disability and what the types of impairment are. So before becoming an attorney, I was a chiropractor and I practiced for 10 years. I rated disability, I rated impairment, and I testified. I can tell you the first thing we have to look at with a personal injury case is somebody at maximum medical improvement. In other words, are they stationary? Are they stable? If they're at that point, then we can give a rating of impairment. And the main difference between impairment and disability is this. Impairment is always relatable to a body part or a body function. In other words, you can't see, you can't hear, you can't move your arm. It's related to function. But disability is always relatable to a job, to a vocation. And in order for a doctor to say whether you can return to a job or do a job, they need to know what the requirements are for that job. How long do you have to sit? How long do you have to stand? What type of movements you have to do? Now, you can have partial impairment or you can have total impairment. Partial impairment means only part of the body has been injured. Total impairment means that particular organ is completely impaired. So normally speaking, we only have a partial impairment of a shoulder or your lower back or your neck, and it comes in a form of a percentage, maybe 10%, 20%, 30% of that particular body part or body area is now impaired to a partial level, not a total level. The other thing is the impairment temporary, in other words, for a short period of time, or now do we have an injury and an impairment that is now permanent. In other words, it's always going to be broke. It's never going to get better. These are the things we need to consider when we're talking about any personal injury case. If you have any questions about your permanent injury or disability or case in New York State, you can give us a call, shoot us an email. We're more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you.